Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of a Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, January the 26th, 2022. We have two puzzles left: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4035. Yes, 4035. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. This is number 4. Double O, here one, there one. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. All right. Then. Do we need to compare is the question. Yes, we need to compare because I'm stuck here. And I believe this column and the last column, we need to compare because we have an empty box. 0011, 0011, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. A double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Do we need to compare again? That's the question. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. Need to compare is the question. Yeah. Yeah. Well, this row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Need to compare? Need to compare again. Let me see. Yeah. This column and the last column. We have here one empty box. Empty box 110011. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 5 minutes. A lot of comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the third and last puzzle I will do in this additional. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.